Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnail in just a few minutes. Let's start it. First you need to go to Play Store, then search on pixcel, and here you will see, and here is that second steps, and tap on here and install it. I have already installed. It is free apps from Play Store, so you don't need to pay any money. And comes like this. Here you need to something allow, and tap on here three dots, then go to image size, then tap on customize, and tap on YouTube thumbnail. Here you will see YouTube thumbnail, and tap on here, then OK button, then it come like a YouTube. And first you need to do which one photo you like to install it. I install this photo. Is my photo. I cropped it and edit, and here you will see, here is my text, and I will text here. You will text typing here in you editing mode, and then edit. I will type on here why YouTube Thumble. Okay, then I will tap on OK, and comes like this. And here you can text like, here you will color this field here black, white, green, any color which one you would like, and I will give this color black. And if you want to bold this, and here is bold, and right here you will see if you want to this, so here is anything. And background style, here you need to enable background, which color will you like. In giving this, I will give this, and I will give color bold, and then AV font size, which style you will like. Here is style, I'll give this, and here you will see, here is my straight come in. You would like to give stickers, so here is stickers. You will tap on here, then stickers come like this, and I will give thumbnail. I'll give this, and if you want to this, if you want to scroll, it will scroll like this, you will see, but I don't want like to scroll it. So if you want to bigger this, and it will bigger, and you will see my YouTube thumbnail has been ready. And if you want to color it, it will color fill. And simply, if you want to add text more, so here is text, and here you will text add on. In edit mode, go to edit, and I will nothing to text, and YouTube thumbnail, here is. If you want to photo edit, here is. So easy apps you will find on Play Store. So, and you will see it how to create YouTube thumbnail. If you want to bigger, it will bigger, and like this. You want to fill color, in color filling is so easy. This app is using for so easy and faster to editing photos. And if you want to gives background image, so it will gives background image. You will see here my image, and I will give this image. No, which one would you like, give that background image. So this is, I think, good for, and I don't need to give this, so I'll delete it here is deleting button. You will see here is, if you want to delete, tap on here, and then tap here, and it will delete. You will see it. And you want to save it here, and save a project or save image. I will save image because I'm using for YouTube thumbnail, and here is to save to gallery, and tap on here, and it will save. And I will show you my gallery. Tap on here, and you see here is my YouTube thumbnail. Here you will see